All right, my friends, as I'm sanding down the roof right now, I'm just waiting for the sand machine, the battery to charge, and I'm gonna keep doing this, which is looking so much better now. But meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the condenser. So I got it. It arrived yesterday, and as you can see, this condenser is leaking right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one, and I'm gonna start by removing these two number 10 bolts from to remove the grill. So this is my new condenser, and I'm gonna leave the link on Amazon on the description so that you guys can your own if you have to replace it. So here it is. Should be pretty easy to replace. As you can see, this is how it would be seen from the front. As you can see, it's bent a little bit, so kind of a bummer. All right, so you guys have to remove these three plastic pins, 1, 2, and 3, and then you have to pop this out. Okay guys, so here I am not able to remove this bolt. That's gonna be the third bolt. I stripped it all the way, and I could grab one of those sockets to remove the nut. It's actually a nut, not a bolt, but I found out that I can actually remove this cover for the bumper, and I have access to this socket, to this it's a number 14 bolt. It's actually a nut, and you can use your socket to remove it from here. So it's gonna be two number 14. You have to remove that one as well, and then on this side there's some clamps holding the hoses, so you have to remove those as well right there. Right, so here you just have to pry these lines open with your screwdriver, and then you can remove them. See, and also when you put this back, you want to put a new one of these seals. Just put a new one there so you don't have any future leaks coming from there. Okay, so here I still have removed those clamps for the hoses. Then we'll be good to go. It's pretty much loose. Just have to remove those two, I think it's one, yeah, two clamps. Let's see, there's one. Let's see if you guys can see. A better access should remove these three pins on this side, and you should be able to pop this out. So here we have our clamps, so it should be way easier to remove them. Just grab your flat screwdriver, and then you'll remove them. We'll get this out of the way. All right. Okay guys, so I was able to get these hoses out. So basically what I did, I put my screwdriver between the hose and the tube, and I sprayed it with WD-40, and then I was able to remove this. Always add WD-40 because that's gonna make it easier to remove, to slide this out. Okay, make it easy on yourself. There's always ways to make it easier. You could either make it easier or keep struggling. That's how I see it. So here you're gonna remove these. I just removed them. There's some air inside. I think this this comes preloaded with air, this condenser, so that you can see if it has any leaks. So when I undid the screw and this came out, some air came out, so I know that this condenser is in good conditions, there's no leaks. Okay, so now we'll remove everything out of the condenser and we'll put it in. Here we have the seals, so it's a good idea to change them or make sure you lube them up before you put the new ones. I mean, you want to slide it into the condenser, so you should put some grease before you put them in. Okay, and then on this side you remove these caps here and you'll stick the hoses and then put the clamp on. Don't forget to screw these studs. There's 2 of them, so you put them there and then you will put these lines back in the condenser. Alright my friends, so after you have these hoses, you have all the nuts where they should go, and you put these hoses back in, you will put the bumper cover back into place, and you're gonna screw everything back and you should be ready to go. You're gonna put all the clips back into the car and put your bumper back, screw everything back on, and you should be ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.